Hi, Timothy Unkert here, and in this video, I'm going to demonstrate the do-while loop in C. So I've included my header file, and I have my main function created. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is create two integer variables, one named root and the other named perfect square. And I'm going to create a program that will print out the perfect squares up to a certain value. Okay, I'm going to set root equal to 1 initially. And then I'm going to create my do while loop. So to do that, we start with do, and then we put our curly braces. And then inside the curly braces, we're going to put the code that we want to run. And then outside of the curly braces on the bottom here, we'll give the condition that the code runs under. So I'm going to run it with the condition that the perfect square is less than 501. Okay, and I'll put a semicolon here. Now, the one thing about do-while loops is even if they don't meet the condition, they will run at least once. So you will see when I have the output that we're actually going to get our last number higher than 501, because even though it's not meeting the condition, it's going to run that last time before it stops. Okay. So I'm going to set perfect square equal to root times root. And then I'm going to print f, and then I'm going to print an integer, and I'll do a space. We'll just print them so they space out on the screen. And then I'm going to pass in the perfect square. And after that, I'm going to increment the root by 1 each time through the loop, because we don't want to have an infinite loop, right? So I'm going to save that, and now I'm going to open a terminal. And let's compile this. So we'll do GCC, and then the name of the program, do-while.c, and we'll output do_while. Okay, now let's run do-while. And we'll see that we have these numbers 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, so on and so forth. They're all perfect squares. And we don't stop at 501 because even though it didn't meet the condition, it's going to run that last time before it hits that while part, right? So do while loop will always run at least once. That's a key takeaway, whereas a while loop and a for loop, that's not necessarily the case. Okay. One more thing we could have neatened up this program with is put car. We could have put in a new line character and brought this down here if we really wanted to. But I think this demonstrates how the do while loop is a little bit different than the other loops. I hope you found this video interesting. If you did, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications, as it really does help the channel grow. I thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.